Volcanoes National Park. Hawaii's Kilauea is still causing disruption after erupting nearly 2 months ago, and now huge sinkholes are opening up near Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. A huge sinkhole opened on Highway 11 near Hawaii Volcanoes National Park on Thursday. The State Department of Transportation said the sinkhole was caused by earthquake damage. The Hawaii County Police Department closed one lane near the 30-mile marker near Volcano Country Club. Drivers were warned to avoid the area if possible, as alternate routes were not available.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.